like a perfect night to fill up our health bar and get rid of our hunger. It feels like a perfect night to stay up till midnight, to go and play on servers. Yeah.